Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin and welcome to another episode of Munching Blindly. Today I went to go find to see if the honey butter chips are at my international market, and ended up finding these instead, which are Honey Tong Tongs, and based on what I've read online, they're the same thing, but they're like ribbed. That sounds kind of weird. But I guess they're like the equivalent of what we have as ruffle chips over here. So I figured I'd go ahead and try and see if there's any taste difference or if it's just a texture difference. So let's see. Now, this time I was smart and I had scissors on the table. Actually, it says peel here. Nope. I'll use my scissors. I thought these were going to be a little bit thicker based on the bag. I guess they are kind of thick. Based on the image on the bag, and then based on what you actually get, they do look kind of different. I thought they were going to be a little puffier. The funny thing is, let's see. My hand stopped shaking, that'd be great. I think they're still supposed to be a potato chip. And based on the ingredients, potato is actually the last thing. Which I don't know if that's common or not. I don't usually read labels. They kind of have almost like a rice cracker feel to them. Like the rice cracker cakes that Quaker Oats makes. I don't know, they just feel different. I mean, I don't hate the texture. The texture is actually kind of neat. Oh, jeez. Don't explode, don't explode. Okay, I think it stopped exploding. Good. Now, comparing these to the last ones I had, these still taste pretty close to the Pringle sticks I was talking about. But based on these, I think the flavor kind of dies a little faster in your mouth. Which I think is the problem that I usually have with the rice crackers or the rice cakes, is you get a little bit of the flavor at the beginning and then it just tastes like the rice cracker plain. So I guess it depends on the flavor. I think since this is a technically a light flavor, that might be why it kind of dies out fast. I think if you're a person that doesn't like really super sweet, you might be able to deal with these a little bit better. I know a friend of mine considers these pretty, well, the other ones, to be pretty sweet for her. So she might be fine with these. Actually, I think they consider them rigid, but I mean, here's one that's probably a little bit easier to tell what they look like. Maybe not. Maybe I'll take a picture later to show you guys. When they're curved like this, kind of reminds me of the like half of a 3D Dorito. I actually miss those a lot. I decided to take my stand away, which is just a painter's tape. So, I decided to try these together. Actually do a side-by-side comparison. Again, scissors. I think the material or the way that they do their bags is almost impossible to actually rip open. Wish I had. Wait, I do have a trash can in here somewhere. Somewhere. Oh well. Put it off there. Ow. They do have a difference in taste, actually, thinking about it now. Now that I'm comparing them side by side. I think that's mainly because you actually taste potato chips in this. And that one tastes almost like rice cracker. Maybe not necessarily a rice cracker, but it doesn't taste like a potato chip. I mean, the main ingredient is wheat flour. They don't taste exactly the same. But that might be based off of how, I mean, yeah, potato chip, the main ingredient is potato. So, between the two of them, so according to the wiki search, these are a potato snack. Maybe not made the same way as a potato chip, like a normal potato chip, especially based on the ingredient order. But Camera person says probably the same way that Pringles can't be considered a potato chip. It's a potato snack. Because it probably doesn't go through the same process as a potato chip. Which I believe is why Pringles can't be considered. Okay. I thought so. Which probably explains why these taste like those stupid Pringle sticks. I think out of the two of them, this one tastes the most like the Pringle sticks. Ow. When you're eating, don't bite your tongue. Luckily, I didn't bite hard. That would ruin the rest of the video. Because all I would taste is blood. Camera person is giving me weird looks. I can't read that. And again, drink it with Dr. Pepper. Actually, these with Dr. Pepper is pretty good. I was reading the ingredients. And the one that kind of surprised me that's in this one is... Well, the main one that surprised me was parsley flakes. Really? The other one that kind of surprised me was onion powder. Camera person's also confused. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I can see some parsley flakes on this. I'll have to take a picture later. I actually see parsley flakes. But they're not in the picture on the bag. Which puzzles me. Oh, clarification. Since the last video. The company Calbee is from Japan. But they have subgroups that are in different countries that make chips for those countries. This one's actually from Korea. I can tell because of the Korean words on it. I'm not sure if this one's with it too. I think it is. There's a company in Korea that had venture with Calbee. I think it's Hadi. I'm not sure. I know it's like Haiti? Is it like H-A something? Okay. Camera person is trying to make it so I can actually read the word. Okay, I'm double checking that you actually got the right one. Haiti. Yay for Wiki. But yeah, they ventured together to make some of their chips. I know they do with the Honey Buddha chips. Honey butter chips, sorry. I was just playing the game earlier, so. I think they ventured with this too. Yeah, it's not Calbee. It's a different company that worked with them. I think this was one too that they... Yeah. Haiti. And I'm pretty sure this is a Haiti brand. Can you double check? Did Calbee work with them on it? No, this is actually Haiti. Okay. Never mind. Take that back. This is Haiti. So I'm guessing Haiti did the honey stuff first. I'm assuming because I'm not reading Wiki. So Calbee went into Korea and worked with them on another chip. Now that doesn't change my confusion on this one. Because this one says it's a product that was made in Hong Kong. Now, that doesn't change the fact that Honey Tong and Calbee might have worked on it together, just made a different location. Or there's two different ones, and I haven't found the other one. I've seen the bag. That's probably what it is. I'm a dumbass. They probably, both of the companies probably make the chips. In Korea, Honey Tong probably is the one that sends it out in Korea. They probably send the Japanese side, Japanese company, Calbee, probably distributes it through other branches of theirs. I'm guessing. Again, I'm not reading Wiki. So if I'm completely wrong, please correct me in the comments. I'm guessing, I know a lot of business stuff, so that kind of makes sense to me because they've done it before. Kind of like how, which one is it? Nestle produces the Kit Kats for international, where Hershey does the US. So far, Hershey's not winning my opinion on some of the stuff that they've been doing. I might do a video on that eventually. You'll find out why. Hershey, I'm sorry, I do like your chocolates, but I don't think you do the flavor stuff as well. So hard which one I like more. I guess it really depends on what I have a taste for. Because, again, it tastes like potato chip. Where this one tastes almost like... I mean, it's a potato snack, yes. But it has more of a taste of... like a breadstick. Like the Pringles breadsticks, like I keep talking about. So, I had a good amount of these. I will show you how much is still left in this bag. Of course, remember there's air in the bag to protect it. So it's not a full bag. You guys should know this by now. But there's still a lot left in there. There's no way I'm going to finish this in one video. So, yeah, I'm going to eat as much as I can. But yeah, the bag is a decent size. I mean, it's... oh, well, crap, never mind. I'm not going to convert that. Because it has grams on there, and I'm not good at my grams to ounce conversion. Not in my head, anyways. But now this bag I can at least tell you because they translated the bag for the most part. I mean, this one's a 2.8 ounce. I'm gonna guess this is almost a 5 ounce bag. So I'm gonna move this out of my way. I want to concentrate on you, because this is what the video is mainly for, is for you. One thing I do like about this is, after eating a little bit more of them, you get a strong honey taste at the beginning. Of course, as you're chewing, that taste is going to go, it's going to dilute some, based on the process of chewing and all that. But you still get this hint at the end of the honey. And so I'd still like it a lot. Yeah. I definitely would buy these again. I was happy I actually looked at my international market for them. Well, actually, I was looking for the other ones. Don't do that. No, they are about close to $5, maybe a little bit more. I don't remember. I know I think it was close to 5 or a little over 5. Just, it wasn't 6. but I mean, I would like to see more. I would like to see more of High Tide. I don't know what else they make, but I'm probably gonna go search it up. But this was really good. It just, we consider it a potato chip. These aren't gonna taste like potato chips if that's what you're looking for. They don't taste like potato chips. They have a more wheat consistency based on the wheat powder and flour that's in it. So maybe not consistency, taste is what I'm going for. They still feel like rice cakes though to me. Not like super rice cakey. That makes sense to you guys. I'm not sure. They're not hard like a potato chip. They're kind of like fluffy. A little bit. Trying to figure out words to describe this thing. But it's pretty good. I think every now and then I can taste a little bit of the onion powder. Not too strong. I think the onion powder maybe was to lessen the honey a little bit. Counteract with the super sweet. Well, not super sweet, but sweet. One Dr. Pepper down. I will say this though. If you do want to try these out, if you do have a little bit of a weak stomach, or a sensitive stomach, they were kind of blowing my stomach just a little bit. So, I mean, as you can tell, as I was getting gassy, but, even then, I mean, I was starting to feel that before I started drinking the Dr. Pepper. So before anyone says, it's the Dr. Pepper, I was starting to feel that way before I started drinking the Dr. Pepper. So, that's just a little warning for some people, since I know some people do have sensitive stomachs. Come on. Thank you. Doesn't help that the bottle has condensation on it, so a little slick. Ow! Oh, that hurt. It felt like it exploded in my throat, and that really hurt. Honestly, his dogs are starting to go again. Well. Ow. But yeah, my verdict on this today is it's good. Remember, it's not a potato chip. Well, it's a potato chip. Dumbass. Doesn't taste like a potato chip. So if you're hoping for a potato chip, I would go for the other ones. If you're looking for more of a bread crackery taste, I would go for these. These are really, really good. Just be careful, if you have a weak stomach. But yeah, Hope you guys liked today's episode. Hopefully I'll be back very soon with another one. Hopefully soon I'll have another Munching Blindly. Not Munching Blindly. Munch with Munchkin. And but yeah, see me soon. Go try finding neat stuff. If you have an international market, go track them down and look at what they have. It's pretty neat. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Thanks for watching my first Munching Blindly versus video. I might do more of these at some point when the opportunity arises. I think the Honey Tong Tongs were honestly about the same as the honey butter chips, even if the Tong Tongs might not actually be chips. One thing for sure though, Dr. Pepper is my new fuel. Screw you, root beer. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more mukbangs and taste tests. Bye, guys.